At Paramount Tool Company, when we build a machine, it always starts with an idea. What if this could be done automatically? Simpler, exact every time. We take that idea and then make it more than just an idea. We take the whole process, from when raw material enters to where it gets worked on by our machines, delivering a product that comes out exactly as it should every time. It's pretty simple, and that's always been our goal: make things simpler in the automation industry. That's why Paramount Tool also takes pride in handling the packaging process of the assembly line. We're Paramount Tool Company, and we build full assembly line solutions for whatever your company needs. Build the things you'll love. Build with Paramount Tool.